Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dana, and if you're new here, hey, welcome. How have you been? For everybody else too, how are you? I'm so excited, guys. Today is the 20th, and you know what tomorrow is? Tomorrow is the day that I leave right after work. I am going to Colorado. I'm excited. I can't even tell you how excited I am. I'm finally going to see my best friend, going to see my shoes. Oh my god, my shoes. I've been in a storage unit forever. I'm getting rid of a $150 bill. Oh my god, on the 1st, June 1st, I'm no longer going to be paying $150 for a storage unit. I'm so excited about that. I cannot even tell you. Okay, so, truth time. I got paid $813 because I've been in that class and it kind of messed up my schedule. So even though I did get paid for that pharmacy tech class, I lost some hours, so not good. But it's whatever. My average check is usually $800, and if I pick up overtime, it's even better. But that's what I got. Alright guys, I already started to fill out my budget, and my throat was really dry, and I don't know, it went off the rails. So I am gonna catch you up on everything that I just did. Okay, so today is the 20th. My rent and everything has been paid. I'm actually good. I've paid every single one of my bills this month. Alright guys, so this is where I am. My rent is due on the 1st, but I have a kind of like a grace period where I technically don't have to pay it until the 3rd. After the 4th, then it is considered late. So I always pay it on the 1st, but I get paid on the 3rd, so I don't even have to worry about this one right now. So that is at 0. My parking fee is with my rent, and so this one is going to be due on the 3rd, so I don't have to pay for that one. My storage unit, guys, oh my goodness, as of next week I will no longer have this jet. I will no longer have this payment. It will be completely out of my life, and I'm excited about that. So this one is going to be 0 from here on out, guys. Amazon was already paid, so this one is going to be at 0. Gas is for my car. So yes, I have been using the credit card for that. I put the money in the bank and then just pay it over unless I buy extra. And so I am going to be budgeting, even though I'm going to be gone. I'm just giving myself a budget of $20, and if I use it, I use it. If I don't, then there you go, it's there. For house, I don't need anything at this time, so I'm fine. For pets, they have to eat regardless if I don't have to pay bills or not. They have to eat. They're my babies, and you know what, they deserve treats and stuff, so I'm gonna give them their usual $15. For food, I am budgeting absolutely nothing because I'm going away for 11 days, and so for the 3 days of the 14 or the 2 weeks, I have food in my fridge. Like when I got that last stimulus, or not stimulus, when I got the last check, I went and I just stocked up my, that's what I do when I get income taxes or extra money. I just stock up my fridge, guys. So oh, my neighbor's blasting music. So since I'm going to be gone for 2 weeks, I already budgeted for that in my move, so that is going to be at 0. For my debt, this one right here, I'm going to put an extra $25 toward. I think I only owe like $300. I can probably do a video on this on my debt-free journey. It's the only debt that I own, or I have, and it's for the apartment that I got evicted from. Go figure, right? Okay, so my electric, I am like a half of a month behind. Not a full month behind, but I am behind a little bit, so I'm going to put an extra $20 toward that. Toward my gas bill, I'm going to go ahead and put an extra $20 toward that as well. My car insurance was paid, so we don't have to worry about that till the 6th of next month. Verizon, I'm going to put an extra $20. Disney Plus is completely paid. My phone was completely paid. My son's phone was completely paid. My bank fee was completely paid. I'm going to move this up just a little bit. And then my credit card, I'm going to put $70 towards. So this credit card, I am trying because of my bankruptcy, everything that I went through. I am trying to raise my credit score. In October, my bankruptcy will be finalized for the 2 years, and so I qualified to buy a house, and I really want to buy a house, so I'm working toward that. I put on here, what did I put? I put gas on there, and then I brought my kids out to eat. And so that is where that's going to, is $70. And it's not even $70. I just put it into my account here, and then I just pay out of that account because this credit card is linked to my actual checking account with my bank. I hope that makes sense. God, my throat is like so dry today, guys. Sorry. Alright, so let's do this real quick. Alright guys, so I have $623 left, which is awesome. Like, when can I ever say that? Only basically when I have my income taxes. I've actually talked to them last Wednesday? I don't know. It was earlier this week. It was less than a week ago. And they basically said that they are so behind that I need to give them a couple more months before I will basically know anything that's going on with my income taxes. They said that I should qualify based on past history and everything that's been going on. So I should be able to qualify for that child's care what is it, child's care stimulus tax, whatever it is, where they're giving everybody who have children under 17 or up to 17 money every month. I'm not sure if my son qualifies because he is 17, but I know that for my daughter at least, I will qualify, and they told me that I should be able to see that, but my income taxes again are not going to come for like a very long time. So that is heartbreaking. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my cash. So for my move, I don't know if you ever seen that budget, but I made a budget of everything that I thought things were gonna cost. And so I am a little bit short, so I'm gonna put $363 toward this. For my vacation, we already know when I have extra money, it goes to my vacation. Especially since my income taxes are not going to be helping to pay for it this year. It's all going to be on me. So, putting $100. My daughter is going to be getting $5 for her allowance. My son actually helped me a lot, and he broke his headphones on accident, so he gets his $5 for his allowance, plus he's going to be getting an extra $5 for him helping me. He cleaned out the fridge and everything else while I was at work, so he did really good. So I'm gonna go ahead, and this is all I'm budgeting for. So I have the 623. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can move it just a little. So 623, take away 363, 100, 5, and 10. It comes to $145. So I have $145 that I am keeping in my bank account, and I don't know what I'm going to do with the money. I'm probably going to save it. If that goes toward an emergency fund, it goes toward an emergency fund. As of right now, I have absolutely no plans at all to use this money. So I guess we'll just wait and see. Plus, if I'm in Colorado, I'm going to try to register my car again so that my car is legal. And because it's not going to pass inspection out here at all. They already told me that. So if worst comes to worst, I can use this money to register my car. So I don't know, it's staying in the bank. We'll figure this out later. And then I just have a quote. So it says, you don't have to have it all figured out to move forward. Just take the next step. And I feel like this is what I am doing right now. I don't know what the future holds, but I know what I have to do to have a better future. So I'm taking the next step. I'm getting rid of the storage unit. Actually, I have really good news. I passed my exam, my pharmacy tech exam for the class, so I am now allowed to test nationally because I did the thing, I did the class. And so guys, by the end of June, I'm going to be testing nationally. It is all sponsored, it is all paid for, and I should be getting at least $1 to $2 raise. So that would be awesome. That'd be so good. I need it so bad right now. You don't even know. So yeah, I'm excited, guys. I'm so excited. But I'm gonna go ahead and just leave you guys with this. So I feel like this quote is just me today with this whole thing. I don't know. I was bored. I was talking on the phone. This is what happened. So this is what my budget looks like. I have basically an extra $813 to pay down some bills and to just figure stuff out. And I have a $145 buffer now that I'm gonna be holding on to. So this video is now like 19 minutes long. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. I hope that this was helpful. I hope that you see what I was able to do with extra money, and if you guys ever get extra money or an extra paycheck, then I hope that you can have an idea of how you would spend it. But go ahead and tell me how you would spend it, because now, like I said, I have an extra $145 that I don't know what I'm gonna do with. I'm not trying to just spend money, but yeah, I don't know. What would you do? Alright guys, so I'm gonna let you go since my neighbor's music is just getting louder, and I will see you guys later, okay? Have a really great day. Bye.